Alright everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today I finished what I said I would from Thursday, which included grabbing the ratchet and taking out the plug and then putting the pipe into the light. My coworker brought his ratchet so I could use that, and then strap that to the wall with a lead anchor. And then for the rest of the day worked on mounting boxes and piping between the center lights on the ceiling, or down from the ceiling onto the beam. So there was a box on the ceiling, put a octagon extension on that, and then worked on piping down from there. I did a back-to-back 90 into this box, I believe, but then I forgot. Once I was already done, I had to basically add a box, so I had to cut the pipe in half and then squeeze a box in there, which you'll see here in a second. Just some weird, a lot of different obstacles in the way, as you can see. So the pipes aren't exactly the same distance coming out of the box. I think there were some obstacles, I believe. But here's the box that I added right here. Basically just cut a 4-inch piece of pipe out and then added some connectors on there, and then piped that in, not piped it in, but put the mounted the box, and then did another pipe coming out of that going to the north, going to the another box over here, which is going to be for another light. So one over here as well. And then at the rest of the day down the line on the south side, this isn't quite finished yet. I think I need to cut this pipe a little bit shorter or bend some of it out. But I'm working on getting this pipe into that box right there, and then trying to 90 down the wall over all this stuff. There's a whole bunch of stuff in the way up there that you can't see. There's like this giant plastic PVC 90 that I'm trying to get around, so kind of in the way. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Like I said yesterday, I'm going to do the giveaway video here in a second. Sorry for the late uploads. Busy day right after work. So anyways, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it and help out the channel, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. I upload every day during Monday through Friday to the best of my abilities. And then check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.